The cure can be worse than the disease. Bakit yung solusyon sa isang problema kung minsan ay nagiging mas mahal pa at mas damaging kaysa doon sa problema ang gusto nitong ayusin? Ito ang fifth law of systems thinking according to Peter Senge. The cure can be worse than the disease. Halimbawa, gumagastos ang company sa training, pero napapansin ng management na hindi naman na-apply ng employees yung mga natututunan nila. So ano ang conclusion? Sayang lang ang training budget. So instead of finding out why the lessons are not being applied, management decides to stop approving training programs. So sa simula, mukhang practical yung decision. Wala nang sasayanging training fees. Wala nang employees na mawawala sa trabaho para umattend ng training. Nabawasan ng expense. Pero, hindi naman nawala yung capability gaps. Yung supervisor na hindi marunong magbigay ng feedback, hindi pa rin effective. Ang employees na kulang sa technical, communication, customer service, or problem-solving skills continue making expensive mistakes. Behavioral issues, conflict, poor service, safety problems, and low productivity continue and may even get worse. So, nakatipid ka nga sa training, pero mas malaki naman ang ginastos sa rework, customer complaints, employee turnover, poor decision, missed opportunities, at recurring performance problems. The real problem may not have been training itself. No? Baka mali yung training needs analysis. Baka irrelevant yung napiling program. Baka walang support yung mga supervisors. Baka walang opportunity ang employees to apply what they learn. O baka walang follow-through, reinforcement, and accountability after the training. Baka hindi masyadong marunong yung learning and development manager. Pero instead of improving the way learning is managed, tinanggal ng management ang budget. The company solved the problem of wasted training expenses by removing its ability to develop the skills and behaviors needed to improve performance. That is when the cure becomes worse than the disease. Systems thinking reminds us, before removing a solution that appears ineffective, find out why it's not working. Because sometimes what looks like cost cutting today becomes a much bigger cost tomorrow. Iniisa-isa ko po yung 11 laws of systems thinking. Follow me if you want to hear the rest of it.